Hello everyone, I have just replaced our engineering word with a different word art so that it looks a little bit similar and attractive. Now in this tutorial we are going to apply some slide background. So in earlier any of the lecture we have not discussed yet, but for particular this slide only we want to have some separate color, right? So how you can do that? So for that purpose what I am going to do, just go to the design tab and under the this design tab one format background is available. If you want to have a solid fill, you can do that. Like I want to just have any light color. If I select this, but this is looks not good, so I am just selecting some another color, but this is just only a solid color. This is if you select on the gradient fill, you can see that the color has been segregated in some gradient, color gradient. So how, let us practice this part so that you can understand it very well. So in the gradient fill only, the current selection is like this part. Now if I select on this, you can see that little bit it has been changed. Now it is linear. If I want to radial, that means the direction has been changed. If I select rectangle, this is just based on practice, you can understand. If I select this one, so our color has been, background color has been changed. And here different colors gradient tops are available. If you want to have a different color gradient top, like if you don't like this yellow or whitish one, but if I want to have a eyedropper with not eyedropper, but we are going to have a little bit bluish shade, and but I want this bluish shade at this end, like outer side. So I will select this and I will directly select the blue over here. And for this I want to have a not blue but it is red color. So now you can see that center it is red, outside it is blue, but red I want till little bit outside also. So if I do that, but if you want to add one of the stop, you have to just click here. Now select, and I am going to select little bit after red. This is which is this one, correct? Let me customize it. Just wait for a minute. I have selected this color section as a little bit light orange type, then purple or lavender type, and then after rose type color. So this way I have segregated, but this is the gradient fill only. If you like, sometimes it may use, but if you want to have a picture or texture fill, you can have. There are n number of different texture by default available. You can directly select from that, and also you can increase the decrease the transparency. Once you increase that, the texture effect will be reduced, and this offset type be available. And if you want to have pattern fill like light dotted part, so this is the ready-made pattern. So here also you can trick the color, like if you I want select this blue, now you just see that this all the dots has been converted as a blue, but our theme is red, so I will select the red only. And I am thinking to go with the pattern fill only. Just this few of the things I want to taught or teach to you, so that's why I have taken. Okay, now we want to have a little bit a different kind of a pattern. Let me select one of the small patterns. So I am going with this only. Okay, now I think this is clear, and let me escape. Why it is happening, I don't know. And now this, why this is happening, because in the video format we have selected video format as this round one. Now if I select this square, you can see that the video format, this square has been changed, but I want to have a background color. Let me see if it is available or not, but I think you cannot change the background or particular video. So we are going to select any code shape so that it looks good, like this one. Okay, you can see the shape has been changed. I am also putting a few of the border, but no, it is not looking good. I want this as a TV screen only, and now it looks good. And also I want to have little bit increase the width, you see, and video effect as a little bit background shadow, so that it looks the 3D. So I think this slide has been completed now. So here what we have done, we have applied the slide background. So you understand it, how we can apply the slide background. You practice it whenever we required in future the slide background, we can use this multiple ways. So hope you are learning. In this next tutorial, we are going to understand some another important point which are available in the PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.